gosh, hey everyone, good morning. We are in Hibok, and we've been climbing. I'm actually the slowest hiker right now, but I'm not as fit as I used to be years ago, which is okay. It's still nice. Whoop. And we're just gonna go up these kind of stairs. We've been hiking now for 2 hours now, and we are almost at the top. We already reached the viewpoint, the vista point, and I'm hiking with the two people I met at the hostel. They're actually really cool people, Europeans. There they go up, and I'll see y'all when we get to the top of the crater of Hibok. And maybe later today, if there's still light, we're probably gonna go to the White Island and relax. But other than that, just enjoy the scenery, the nature, everything. It's really beautiful up here. Serene, full, and peaceful. Yep. I am recovering from an illness, so hopefully things will get better, but I need to get up because they're waiting on me. Ciao.